Hey guys, this is Neil Darby. I'm a KIOTI tractor specialist with STEC equipment, and today we're going to be talking about the CS Series subcompact tractor. A subcompact tractor is a tractor usually under 25 horsepower on a smaller frame, and it's used for farms between 0 and 5 acres. A subcompact tractor is going to be used by somebody who wants to do small garden projects, general land maintenance, or possibly hobby farming. A subcompact tractor is going to be used for things such as brush removal, box scraping, digging small holes in the backyard with the backhoe attachment, as well as moving piles of material with the front loader bucket. So what sets a KIOTI tractor apart is the affordability, the versatility, and the durability. The durability from a KIOTI tractor comes from the cast transmission and axle housings, which add extra durability and weight to the components of the tractor. We do offer a cast engine and transmission setup, and that is one of the only brands on the market nowadays that offer that. As you can see here in front of me, we have multiple attachments and implements that we can use on these tractors. They do have a universal hookup, which can use many different brands attachments. Here we have Ironcraft attachments as well as KIOTI attachments for the backhoe. Attachments, implements that can be used on a subcompact series tractors. As we see here, we have a front loader bucket for moving material, as well as the option for a belly mower. On this model, we have a 60-inch belly mower for general lawn maintenance. We can also throw a backhoe on here if you're doing your own water lines or any type of digging necessary for maybe fence post or burying brush and so forth. We also have a box blade here for shaping driveways, as well as doing small grading projects. And then on the front here, we also have an optional 48-inch grapple. This is going to be for reaching and grabbing brush and removing it or moving it to a new location. And on the back of this one, we have a 4-foot rotary cutter, which is going to be used for tall grass and areas like you see behind me here. On the CS Series model, we can offer a third function, which you need to run a grapple like this. It's what allows the hydraulic pressure to open and close the grapple, grabbing onto the lumber or brush that you're going to be moving around. With KIOTI tractor, you're getting more tractor for your dollar, and in today's economy, that is a huge step up. You can check out our full line of CS Series tractors at stecequipment.com, and you can see the other resources we have, as well as all of our inventory for attachments and implements.